What's up, guys? Today we're going to
We're gonna play with clay.
yeah, and maybe make some slime. Yeah, and then add the clay to make butter slime. Alright, so what color are you going to make yours?
I'm gonna make mine blue.
We have different colors of clay. She took away blue. I'm going to make mine red. You know what? Red or orange? I have no idea.
Do red.
Alright. I want orange. I'm going to make orange. Make it orange.
So
I like to move it. We have little bowls.
let's do this. Sorry.
We bought all of these from Dollar Store.
Yeah.
What a deal.
Here's your bowl. We got little bowls. From
You know, I'm going to cut mine out with this. I'm like, no! No!
And then-
God! I can't take my clay out.
Which one do you want?
Orange. I am a weak person. Wait, I got orange clay.
So what clay we're going to be using today is the model clay. It's not Model Magic because they didn't have it at the dollar store. But yeah.
We just found sticks of clay.
And then you have sticks to make
And then we
it.
have our activator under the table. It is. You can't reach it. Okay. Tied.
That's Uncle Joey. Put it back.
Oh, put it
It's
back.
not ours.
Oops. You just need a little bit.
Nah, don't use it. Look it,
What are
Doda.
we gonna use for?
It looks weird.
Get some activator, London.
I'll put it in one of the bowls.
Get game. Get game. Wee, I like to move it, move it. All right.
Oh, speaking of those,
You're cringy today. We got Dollar Store Jot Glue, clear glue, of course, and we got some orange clay. We are gonna use these little bowls, then some mixing sticks. Alright, so what else are we gonna need? I don't know. Alright, we are gonna get activator, which is London is getting it. And before we start making the slime, make sure you hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. And then turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Oh yeah, then we also have some foam beads. Yeah. You got it?
Yeah.
So what is that?
Fine.
stuff.
Activator. Laundry detergent. Laundry detergent. Whatever you call it.
Detergent.
Detergent.
No messy.
Okay.
Repeat.
And then also subscribe to her channel, Deanie123, and hit that notification bell on her channel and like the videos.
Sorry, my hair is a little messy. I was wearing a hat.
Super Bowl. It's passed. All right. So
Where?
first we're gonna add the glue.
Okay.
I can't believe we're doing
I thought your mom was gonna pick you up too.
I thought she was too.
Oh, they have plastic on it. I can't open it. Oh, jeez. Okay.
I could.
I got it. Ah! Oh, shoot. What the? Alright, so. Oh, I wonder how it smells. Oh, it smells terrible.
Well, duh, it's glue.
I like.
I'm
other
only
glue
using
smells.
a little bit
Spread
though.
the
Me
glue.
too. Alright, so now we are going to do.
Jonathan, what did I say? Your
Oh, my-
glass. Put it
I'll be
there.
right back.
Oh, that's what we got. I'm using only a little bit because I want to use some in the future.
I'm gonna add a little more.
I'm mixing
I'm gonna add
mine
a whole
because
stick of clay.
just in case.
Alright, so now
We're gonna add.
Mix.
Well,
I'm gonna
yeah,
add the activator.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make mine clear first.
yeah.
Then I'm gonna add the clay when I'm done. Alright, I got my stick in.
I'm gonna try
Stick
mine.
in. Stick it. Boom. Finish.
I'm only using just a little bit just in case so I won't over deactivate it.
Me too.
Oh, it's working! Well, it's getting a little foggy.
Yeah, that's fine. Oh,
Hey, if you're not using the round little bubbles, save it for me, okay?
Okay.
I don't
oh,
want
it's
to
getting
start it.
foggy. These are all from the dollar store.
No, it's supposed to get foggy. Okay.
It's-
way, yeah.
I haven't made slime.
Okay, so either
Clear
way,
slime.
if you try to make slow, it'll still end up foggy because like it's all bubbles. Okay, it'll clear up in the future though.
All right. How do you know when
I thi-
it's almost done?
I think I need just a little bit more tide.
How do you know when it's almost done?
By the way, this is clear tide,
It looks like yellow.
and then so you'll know.
How do you know when it's done though?
You won't. You just need. Well, you will know when it comes together like that.
Alright. It's almost, mine is almost done. I only added like a
Now
little
you have to get your hands in there.
mine is
you need
white.
Yeah, it's
Uh,
foggy. It's bubbles.
Do I need more activator?
No, you have to put your hands
Mine
in
is
there.
way too sticky.
You have to put your hands in
I'm
there.
gonna mix mine a little more.
You have to put your hands in there. You have to knead it.
I made slime before, but never butter slime with.
Well,
I
butter
only-
slime is just a regular way how you make slime.
I made slime before, but like only from like Michael's items, not like dollar store. It's my first time making it out of dollar store items.
I feel like I need a little bit more activator, but
Me
I will
too.
see how it looks when I'm done kneading it. Because it
It
might.
turned from clear glue to white glue with the bubbles.
Well, yeah, it's all bubbles.
I need more activator.
You have to mix it. You have to do what I'm doing.
I am. Wait. I'm gonna take all the slime on my stick, set that aside. Alright. It's not coming out. Okay. Alright, screw it. Alright. It's sticky. How are you so good at making slime? I'm still a beginner. I'm adding more.
I think I need a little bit more tide. Can you put some more tide in my hand?
Yeah. What?
Wait, over the bowl.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
I'm gonna add a little more for mine.
Just a little bit though.
Alright, that's
Don't
good.
overactivate it.
Yeah. Right. So I
It
got.
smells terrible.
Yeah, but yeah, that's what we're living with right now.
I even got slime.
I didn't get slime. I'm just kidding. I'm making slime, but it's still sticky.
It's okay. You need to knead it like how I am.
How did you? Did I get it out?
Yeah.
I'm using it for a YouTube video. Oh, it's becoming spaghetti. No.
It's okay. I got it all over my hand.
I watch a lot of slime videos. Like, it's kind of hot today in San Jose.
Put some more tide in there.
Yours?
Yeah.
I can't.
What?
Because my slime. I'm trying to fall. Oh, you can dip it?
I just dipped it.
I think I need more. Or is this fine?
You need a little bit more. Mine's coming together. Just dip it. Mine's coming together. I probably took it out too soon.
Yeah, that's... No, I think I overactivated. Is it supposed to be like that?
Yeah, you have to mix it. Duh. This boy doesn't know anything.
Hey, how dare you? This is my channel.
It's actually Dodo's channel.
There,
It's mine. Oh, your mom's calling.
Oh, it's my mom.
I can't get it. Our hands are slimy.
I saw the phone.
Alright. Dora, can you? I can't.
Get the phone.
I can't. Hurry. Alright, mine is coming together.
Mine's not.
You rejected her. Does mine need a little bit more?
I'm just.
Our hands are slimy. I know.
I know.
We couldn't answer it because our hands. We can call her
What was
back.
their telephone number?
408.
1408
408.
We're gonna add a
819.
little more activator.
819
8025. 25.
25. Good. You talk.
Okay.
Hello?
Hi, Mom.
Hey, babe.
You called?
Hey. Yeah, I did. You got your stuff together? Lex is 2 minutes away.
Okay.
So have your bags ready.
Okay.
Hurry up and jump on the phone.
Hi.
Hi, Daytona.
Hi.
Hi.
We're making slime.
Slime?
Yeah.
Yeah, I hate slime.
My mom too.
Mean.
London always asks to make it. I'm always like, ugh. I don't want to see it.
There's mine too. Sticky.
Put some sardine.
How was your eye doctor appointment? Can we see or no?
We had to cancel it.
Oh. Alright. Alrighty. Okay, so London, be ready. Make sure you have all your bags ready, okay?
Okay.
Okay, love you. Bye.
Bye.
How long is Alexis on?
2 minutes.
Can you line up with your shoulder? How is yours so good?
I kept on eating.
I need help. Stop it. Get some help. Yeah.
Look how slimy.
You can add your clay in
Not yet.
later.
Mura na yung nakita natin.
Mine is coming off my hands.
Look how slimy it is. Well, it's not that slimy anymore.
Yours was sticky. It's sticky. Of course, it's glue. I'll link it in the description for her subscription.
Ito, Willie, ganito gusto ko gawin sa backyard. Mag-trellis ka, tapos may ganyan. Dalawa.
Ole, 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 ole. Ole, ole. Oh, that must be Alexis.
You have your things ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Open the door, Willie. Marurumi yung kamay niyan.
Ready? You gotta go.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Oh, Alex. You came from work?
Yeah. We're gonna go to the movies right now.
We are too, me and my mom.
Yeah. Are you gonna watch Endgame?
We have adobo.
Really?
I'm okay. I'm not hungry right now.
There's a double there.
Okay.
Come on, David. Alright,
What's your
YouTube
name?
You guys are gonna go to the drive-ins, or you're gonna watch it at the theater?
I don't know.
Where are we gonna go?
The theater, all the way in Union City. So it's far.
Traffic.
Mm-hmm. You guys and your slime.
It's coming together. It came together.
How?
Good luck.
How dare you?
Okay, now I'm gonna add my clay.
Because of the traffic,
London. Mine is such a small batch. Almost.
Oh my god, I'm making better slime!
We're making a YouTube video.
Oh, you saw him in your YouTube video telling you to hurry up. You guys could have told me.
We're actually making a YouTube video.
Yeah, you guys
Posting it
could've-
on YouTube.
Yeah, you guys could have told me that to not talk.
Well,
It's fine.
blue butter slime.
Look. How do you do this?
I don't think it's coming together.
How dare you? Can you help me at least?
Do we wait for butter slime? Do we need white glue?
Naka-leather jacket na lagi
It's
dyan.
fine. It's becoming white. No, some people add clear glue.
Some people.
Yeah. Have you seen ASMR slime videos?
Where's all your clothes and stuff?
In the room.
It's packed?
I just need to get my blanket.
Lilipat na naman siya.
How do you get this stuff together? I need help, London.
Too bad.
London, can you help me?
Add Tide. What do you mean help you?
Yeah, but I added enough Tide.
No, you didn't.
I made it.
Obviously.
I made a ball. Then, fine. But that will make it messier.
It brings it together.
Yes, I've done
Yes,
it like
go.
5 times.
Now.
Now.
You're gonna make us late. We have to drive. It's far.
yeah,
And
it's traffic, London.
Okay. Okay, bye you guys.
Alright, she is leaving, and I'm continuing this. With this,
I'm gonna bring all my stuff, okay?
you can bring your slime.
This.
Bring your slime.
Yes, I am. I'm keeping this because I bought it.
No!
Fine, you have half of it, okay?
I want all the colors I want. I want red, yellow.
I wanted yellow.
No, my yellow.
How about we have the yellow?
Alright. Can you help me bring this together?
They're rushing because of the traffic. They're not going nowhere.
Yes, I am.
You
Tomorrow.
have to wait for your mom.
Okay.
Alright, goodbye.
Goodbye.
Can make a red, white, and blue line later.
Hello.
Why is he in a sweater?
I don't know. She's crazy.
It's so hot. Look at your brother.
He's naked. Yeah, it is really hot. Is Dad home?
No, he should be on his way. You're sweating, Dad. It's not even that hot, but you're sweating. Are you guys ready here now?
Yeah, I'm just waiting for her to get her stuff.
Alrighty.
Okay. What time are you guys? What time is Dad going to
What
get
time are
home?
you
ASAP, because I want to go eat. I'm not going to starve throughout the movie.
Are you gonna take London with you then?
No, I'm going to pop rock.
Or you're gonna rock?
Just kidding, I don't know. I'll probably take it here with me. Just kidding.
That's but whatever. Okay then. Just pause when you are we at 7:45?
Time
right?
to add the clay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, bye. Bye. Thank you for watching her.
London,
Bye.
London, is that good to add the clay?
Yeah, what?
So time to add the orange. Bye, cousin.
Bye.
I can't hug you.
Isarap mo yung pinto mo.
Okay.
Roll up na ito ako.
Marami nga yung kamay mo.
Hindi, wala na. Hindi na marami. So, umpisa lang. Pagka yung ano eh. Gawa na. Your mom. Yes, sir.
Hello? 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 Hello?
Hello?
Hi.
Hi, this is London Liga?
Yes.
Okay. Will you guys clean?
No. Hello? No. Making slime. Making slime.
Yeah. Okay. Alright. I'm on my home.
Alright.
Alright, did you have a good day today?
Yes.
You guys get trouble with Dota at all?
No.
Really?
Yeah.
You guys stay outside?
What?
You guys stay outside?
No.
Why?
We didn't want to.
Alright. Alright, I'll get you
Alright.
Alright.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna have to end the video right here. My clay isn't really mixed in properly yet. But yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye.